We're doing a trauma simulation day at Fleetwood Nautical Campus. We've not been told too much about what we're doing to keep it a bit of a surprise.
So there might be water involved in one job, possibly some fire, getting that experience so we know when it happens, or God forbid happens in real life, we'll know what to do then.
We're running a series of exercises over 3 sites, so we can simulate building fires, we can simulate injuries in machine shops, waterborne injuries from boating. The college students got themselves involved. They've come from Blackpool, and we've got the acting and the makeup down here as well, so they're providing their role as life casualties for us in various states of injury, shall we say.
So we've just finished our first simulation. It was a helicopter crash but in a training facility, and it was a multi-casualty incident. It was quite challenging evaluating because there was quite a few patients there as well.
It was tough, to be honest. Learned quite a bit. We had a clinical mentor who was able to calm us down because we were a bit erratic at start, tell us to think things through properly.
Basically triaged and realised that there was some people that were unconscious, so we treated them first rather than the walking wounded, and it was a drowning, so we went through all our principles and algorithms and treated basically what we found.
We've been told our next simulation is in a factory where there's been an explosion. Hopefully it's going to be good.
From a young age I've always wanted to help others, and obviously this job fits that quite well. I think it really helps when you're making a difference, even if it's something silly like making someone a cup of tea or just having an ear there for them to listen to. And obviously more complex jobs, you're saving lives.